Welcome back to Slayer Style Adventures, a Trickum Devil production. As always, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let's go, Trickum Devil.
All right. Welcome back to Slayer Style Adventures. Uh, my name is Leonardo, and we're going to try to get some crap out of the water today. We're going to be just using artificial bait, and that's it. Jigs. So stay tuned. As always, I want to get you to like, share, and subscribe, and I appreciate you joining me today. All right. Today we're going to start out with something with a little action on it. I'm going with a yellow jig head. That's a 1/16 ounce. Gonna go with some with a little action on the body, curly tail, chartreuse, yellow and white. In my next video, we're gonna try to have the drone action going on because I got a drone now. And I need one more component here. Throw it up here, no. Where did it go? There it is, up under the seat where I can't see it. We're in 8 foot of water. Surface temperature is 53 degrees. We got so let's get ready to go try to get them. It's my first time on this lake. That's right across from a golf course over here in front of us. Why the fuck you could? I didn't start you to film it. It's on camera. No wonder. What are you doing? Oh, I'm hitting the wrong button. All right. The lake. I got about 4 kayaks on here and about 3 boats on this lake. It's my first time fishing this. We're going to start out with some with a little action to it. It's 8 feet of water, 53 degrees surface temperature. I'm going with a yellow jig head. It's going to be that's a 1/16 ounce jig head. I'm going with a white chartreuse and yellow curly tail with a fish attracting on the tip. I want to try to use something with a little action to start out at first. Okay, I just came across one fish here. 6 feet deep in 8 feet of water. I'm just going to actually let this, the wind is kind of high. I'm going to actually just troll this behind me. Well, what I'm start out doing is looking for structure. See if I can find some structure in the water that I can fish off of. I'm still in 8 feet of water. I'm glad it's at least that deep. Hopefully all over. But I would like to find the deepest part of this little lake. It's electric motors only. Just went up to 7 feet and we're on the incline, look like. So it might get a little bit more shallow. Oh, look like he just caught a fish. He might be trying to take a picture of it. How you doing, sir? I'm sorry for disturbing you. I just wanted to ask you a couple of questions. This is my first time fishing this lake.
Yep.
Crappie, right?
Yep.
It look like one
Right over here.
right over here.
Yep. I just saw him on my graph and I tied it up here. Just probably
Okay. How you doing? My name is Leonardo.
Leonardo, I'm Steve.
Okay, Steve. I'm from
Here all the time.
out here all the time.
Yep.
I just moved here from New York, so this is my first time here. Trolling motor only, right?
Yep.
But I can use the big motor to put it back on the trailer.
They say you can, yeah.
Okay.
Some people do, some people don't.
Some people winch up.
Yeah.
How big is the one you just caught?
He's only about 3 something, but he's 18 inches.
Oh, that's a bass.
Yep.
Big mouth bass.
Yep.
I got a YouTube channel. You don't mind?
No.
Get a picture of it. Come on. Turn. Okay. Yep, I got it. That's a good catch.
He's pretty, there's a lot.
So,
a lot bigger ones.
oh, okay. Well, I'm definitely looking for the crappie today. I'm just gonna jig. I ain't got no minnows.
Yeah, no, fish out there. When I pulled up here, there were tons of just right over here. Now, they may have moved off, but they're here. So the creek comes from back here. Comes up this way.
All right, that's the channel.
What you're on right now is the road bed.
Okay.
That road bed goes, when that road comes down, the ramp
Straight over to the end.
goes right straight to the golf course.
Okay. All right.
So come over here on this side. Don't worry about me. I'm anchored right now.
Okay.
Yeah, just go over there. You'll see. If you got your depth finder, you'll find them.
Yeah, it's 10 feet deep right here.
Yep.
Like a little basin.
Yep.
Okay. So
And it comes up and they're here, and then there's a little cove over there.
yeah.
Yeah, kind of round tree right there, green on it.
Okay.
Here's the cove. You pull back out this way. There's a lot up there.
All right. That's what I needed to know. I see that boat sitting over there in the cove almost off to the left.
Yep.
Okay. Well, you had good luck.
You do.
I need about 12 today. 12, 11 inches or bigger. And we'll be happy with that.
As always, thank you for joining me on Slayer Style Adventures, a Trickum Devil production. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Always have a Slayer Style day.